Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and this is Sarah's Paper Beads. I am making this video because I want to give an update about my channel. So I'm gonna roll some beads as I discuss with you guys about the update and the change of my channel. So I'm going to be changing the name of my channel to Art by Mazlyn. And the reason why I want to change it is because I'm not just making beads now. I'm making earrings and also doing diamond paintings. So I want to, focus on doing those three things, not just a bead channel. But yeah, so I will be making I'll be making videos of me doing paper beads as well as diamond paintings and making earrings too. And I do have a Etsy shop where I sell my paper beads, where I sell earrings, and I also sell my finished diamond paintings. So I will leave the link to my shop in the description below. And yeah, I haven't made a video, in quite some time. I think the last time I made a video for this channel, it's probably been about a year, maybe longer than a year. I don't remember when's the last time, but it's been quite a while. So I'm kind of happy that I'm gonna try to, focus more and make more videos here on this channel, as well as making my earrings and my paper beads. There was a time, I stopped making paper beads for a while. I haven't made a paper bead in almost about a year now. It's been a while since I made paper beads because I've been doing other things, trying to find work, and also, doing my diamond paintings. I kind of got focused with that. So, but now, I'm back here making paper beads and making earrings as well. And I want to try to also do things with clay, make clay earrings as well. There's a whole bunch of things that I want to try and want to do. So hopefully I can video all that stuff that I want to do. But yeah, so these are some beads that I'm making right now. This bead here, my finger's blue because some of the ink from the paper gets onto my finger. So there's one bead I made, or a couple beads actually. Got a whole little tray of beads that I've been rolling. And then I got these ones here, some paper strips here. The way I make my paper beads is I use an app that is on the iPhone. I don't know if it's on a Android phone, but it's called Kaleidocam, and basically it has kaleidoscope where it's a Kaleidocam, so you point your camera to whatever you want to point it to. You can point it to a bunch of dishes or the floor or wherever you want to point it to, and it'll make a kaleidoscope image. And then yeah, that's what I use. I take a picture of it and then I print it on my printer and then cut it into strips like that. So basically I'm designing my own paper beads. I like to use cardstock paper because cardstock paper is thicker. I don't like using magazine paper or newspaper or anything like that. I always like cardstock paper because it's a lot thicker. But you can use cardstock paper and then use marker or paint as well to make your paper beads. But that's how I make mine anyway, is I print my design from the Kaleidocam app on my phone, and then I print it and then I cut my own. But yeah, I love rolling beads. It's so much fun. It's really fun, especially when you're watching TV and you're bored and you're just watching TV, watching a movie, and you want to sit there, make some beads. Use these. This one that I'm using now is kind of small, so here I got some beads already made up. These are the first beads that I have made since like a year. Wait a minute, I'll show you guys something. So this bead is perfect for the making earrings with. Oh, the bead hole size. I'm trying to make earrings with these. You guys can see it. The lighting's not so good because I'm sitting on the floor right now. But anyway, the bead hole, the size of the bead hole is not really that big. So it fits the earring. It fits the this right here. It fits that little metal piece. The eye pin piece thing, whatever you want to call it. Ugh. But yeah, it fits there, so it's nice and snug. Like some of my other beads, some of the other beads I have, the hole is a little bit bigger, so when you put the bead on the eye pin, it kind of comes out at the end of this one. But if you have one with the hook, then it won't do that with the other beads that I have. But yeah, it's okay. Sorry, it keeps going out of focus, but yeah. And then of course I got my little green beads here. I do these with construction paper because these I use as waist beads. And then I've got the beads here. The beads here, I got them on the string, the fishing line string, so I can dip them into the wood hardener and into the gloss, so then they can be finished. So yeah, those are my beads, and that's the update of my channel, what I'll be doing. Can't wait to show you guys some of the diamond paintings that I've done. All right, so if you like my video, if you like my channel, please give it a like or subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.